In this video, I'm going to show you around the standards-based learning classroom in Edusight. Now with our class selected, we can see a list of all of our students. And if we click into any student, we'll see that we're presented with something different. Instead of a list of graphs or numbers or a list of assessments, we can see a list of standards and whether or not a student has mastered those standards. Now if we click in to any specific standard, we can see a list of notes, pictures, and grades tagged to that standard. Now we can always add a new note and add a picture to that note, or we can add a grade. So let's say he got a level 4. Now, with mastery-based learning, we believe that the most recent mark is the best reflection of that standard. So we can see that because this is the most recent mark that I just entered, it will override all of the existing grades. Now going into the assessment view, we can see all of the assessments that we've previously created. We can add a new assessment, let's call ours Quiz 3, and we can choose standards. Now, this list of standards is from the standard set that is relevant to our classroom. Let's select these 3, create this assessment, and all we have to do is click in to that assessment, and we can fast and easily grade. Now, we can always edit our standards that we chose, or we can delete this assessment altogether. Now we're going to go into the Analysis tab. Here we can view all of our students represented as rows, and all of our standards represented as columns. All we have to do is hover over any of these, and we can see which standard is being graded. As we can see, all the grades create a heat map of student grades so we can easily visualize how all of our students are doing in any specific standard. Now, going into the Settings tab, we can see which standard set we are currently using. We can add a standard set based on what's available, and we can start grading immediately. Now this has been the standards-based learning classroom in Edusight. If you have any questions, you can email us or call us and we'd be happy to answer any questions you have, or you can always contact us using the yellow support button at the bottom left.